This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. What was it like dealing with a Baby Wayne? What do you remember about Baby Wayne? Because he passed and gone. So we like to hear stories from people like you that interact with Baby Wayne.
Baby Wayne was a youth like this. Every time when I talk to me, I get chills. Every time when I go to the studio, like me used to go to the studio out by Windward Road there. And Baby Wayne used to out there go to dub plate. And Baby Wayne always I say, yo, you're a bad female, you're bad, you want to song with you, Mm-hmm. And I say, yeah, man, anytime you're ready, man. And Courtney Cole linked me and said to me, say, him need me and Baby Wayne for do something. And that's so me and Baby Wayne get for, link up and do the song. But me and Baby Wayne, then we used to link up in the studio out by Windward Road. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And we go out there song, we do a dub plate and thing them out by Arrows. And them Arrows. Yeah, out by Arrows. And them time they when we had the dub plates and something where we have to go over and over. When you have spit lyrics, you have to spit lyrics, go straight to the vinyl, Mm-hmm. And when you spit lyrics straight to the vinyl, that's the way you get your pay.
Yeah.
And you can't spoil nothing pan it because they sit and have it in and the end it spit out. Yeah. So all them little man around here, so we are dub plate and I say, make me do this over. No, we are chat lyrics and just straight to vinyl and I hit that.
Right there. That's how you guys came up with the song with you and Baby Wayne there.
Me and Baby Wayne, we just link up in the studio with Courtney Cole and, we just vibes of the song and just deal with it, Mm-hmm. And he was such a nice person. He was so humble, mm-hmm. But fun. And him always make you laugh. Him always and him always have a smile on his face, but him always high. Mm-hmm. I always I said to him, say, hey boy, you're high, so you need to come off of that kite there, Mm-hmm. I'm always I say, just cool, no angel, man. Just cool, man. Mm-hmm. We're good, man. We're good. Yeah. But he was a very, very nice person. Mm-hmm. Him nice. Baby Wayne, a good youth.
Yeah. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.